Yeah, good morning, children. Good morning, net issues. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Yes. Good morning. Good morning. Sorry for the late. Next issues. Get issues. We have exam on 19th. Okay, is that right? Sadhan. Yesterday we have discussed about distance formula and important models that you need to uh, practice, that we are discussed. Today one more concept from section formula, that is one more section formula we are going to learn now. అసలు సెక్షన్ ఫార్ములా అంటే ఏంటి, అసలు బేసిక్ కాన్సెప్ట్ ఏంటి, దాని నుంచి ఎలాంటి క్వశ్చన్స్ మనం ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేయొచ్చు, ఓకేనా? అండర్స్టాండింగ్ లెవెల్ కావచ్చు, నాలెడ్జ్ లెవెల్ కావచ్చు, అలాగే అప్లికేషన్ పార్ట్ కొంచెం క్రిటికల్ లెవెల్ కావచ్చు. ఒకసారి వీళ్ళు మనం చెక్ చేద్దాం, ఓకేనా? సో ఫస్ట్ ఐ విల్ ట్రై టు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ ద బేసిక్ కాన్సెప్ట్ ఆఫ్ సెక్షన్ ఫార్ములా. Okay na? Suppose there is a line segment AB whose coordinates are x1 y1 x2 y2. You can see there exists infinite number of points in between A and B. A ki B ki మధ్యలో చాలా పాయింట్స్ ఉండొచ్చు, చాలా పాయింట్స్ ఉంటాయి. Okay? I am considering one such points, that is P. P is a point in between A and B, not in the middle, in between A and B. Okay na? P divides AB in the ratio m:n. P divides AB in the ratio m:n. Okay children? And I want to find out the coordinates of P. కన్ఫ్యూజన్ అనుకుంటే ఇక్కడ x1 y1 x2 y2 ఇక్కడ xy కన్ఫ్యూజన్ అనుకుంటే మనం ఇలా అనుకుందాం, a b. I want to find out the coordinates of P, that is x coordinate and y coordinate. We need to find out a value, b value. This is the basic concept. Okay na? మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి చెప్తా. There is a line segment AB. Coordinates of A is x1 y1, coordinates of B is x2 y2. And there is a point in between A and B, P, and that P divides AB in the ratio m:n. We need to find out the coordinates of A and B. P, coordinates of P. Coordinates of P, I am assuming it as let P be A comma B. I am assuming. Let us assume. Let means we are assuming. We are assuming the coordinates of P as A and B, and we need to find out A and B using the coordinates of A, coordinates of B, and the ratio. To find out the coordinates of P, we have to use the coordinates of A, coordinates of B, and the ratio. This is the basic concept. We will see an example for this. The ratio is 2:3. I will take ratio 2:3. Okay. And coordinates of A -1, 7, -1, 7, coordinates of A, and coordinates of B 4, -3. The basic problem, children. Basic problem. Okay then? The point B divides AB in the ratio 2:3. Coordinates of A is -1, 7 and coordinates of B are 4, -3. We need to find out the coordinates of P. Okay then? I told you a formula to find out coordinates of A and coordinates of B. Means coordinates of P, sorry. I told you to find out the coordinates of P, there is a formula. So to find A, it is mx2 plus mx1 by m plus n. To find B, m by 2 plus n by 1 by m plus n. This is the formula. Just we need to insert the values, that's all. We need to insert the values. So what are the values? I am doing here. M is nothing but 2. X2 4 plus n, that is 3. X1 -7 by 2 plus 3. M y2 -3. N y1 7 by 2 plus 3. Inserting the values. Now simplify. 8 2 4s are 8. 8 minus 3 5. 5 by 5 1. Minus 6 plus 21 15. Minus 6 plus 21 15. 15 by 5 3. So the coordinates of A is 1 and B is 3. Somebody wrote it as 2, 3. Who wrote it? 2, 3. Who did it? 2, 3. Yeah. Understand, children? This is the basic concept. This is the basic concept. Did you understand, everyone? అందరికీ అర్థమైందా? Are you there? I am not getting answers. Are you there in the class or not? Did anyone left? Everyone left? No, na? Okay. Now we can observe different questionings from this. X1, Y1, AB is to PB, M is to that is M is to N, A comma B, X2, Y2. So దీని నుంచి డిఫరెంట్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఏమిటి వస్తాయి? సో మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి we need to find out the coordinates of P when A coordinates given, B coordinates given, ratio given. This is basic question. Okay? Now I will tell you one more type of question from this concept and you need to tell me different questions. నేను ఒకటి చెప్తాను and మీరు ఆలోచించి ఇంకా డిఫరెంట్ క్వశ్చన్స్ చెప్పడానికి ట్రై చేయాలి. జస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్స్. ఓకేనా? రైట్. A coordinates given, B coordinates given, point A point P coordinates also given. We need to find out the ratio. This is another one. Coordinates are given. A coordinates given, B coordinates given, P coordinates are also given, and we need to find out the ratio. We need to find out the ratio. This is second type of reason. The second type of questioning. Okay, now we need to find out the ratio. Okay, one example we'll see. Yeah. This is m comma 6, m comma 6, no, 2 comma 5, 2 comma 5, 8 comma 2, minus 6 comma 9. See here, this is second type of questioning. Coordinates of A given, coordinates of B given, coordinates of P also given. You need to find out the ratio. You need to find out the ratio. Basic concept ki దీనికి డిఫరెన్స్ ఏంటి? ఎవరైనా చెప్పగలరా? బేసిక్ కాన్సెప్ట్ కి దీనికి డిఫరెన్స్ చెప్పగలరా? ఎనీవన్? In the basic concept, coordinates of A given, coordinates of B given, and ratio is also given. We need to find out P. We need to find out P. But now the second type of questioning, A, B are given, A, B are given, point B is also given, point P is also given. We need to find out the ratio. Yes, we have to find out M is to N. P is given. Yes. How to do this? Say, this is A, this is B. M ratio. Let us assume. We need to assume the ratio. We need to assume the ratio M is to N. Now apply the formula. mx2 plus mx1 by m plus n by m plus n. Then my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. See children, T A comma B is equal to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, my2 plus my1 by m plus n. Okay. See here. But A value is given as 2 and B value is given as 5. That means this 2 is equal to this and this 5 is equal to this. So minus 6m plus 8n by m plus n is equal to 2. 9m plus 2n by m plus n is equal to 5. Is equal to 5. Is it necessary to simplify both? Not needed. You can simplify one. You will get the ratio. Both are not necessary. Now how to simplify? I want to simplify this one. 9m plus 2n is equal to 5m plus 5n. 9m minus 5m is equal to 5n minus 2n. 3m is equal to 3n. So m by n is equal to 3 by 3, which is 1 is to 1. M by n is equal to 3 by 3, which is 1 is to 1. That means 4m. What 4m? Okay. Right. Sorry, 4m. Correct. 4m. 3/4. Correct. So the ratio is 3/4. 3:4. Good. చూడండి, నాకు కూడా తప్పులు పోతున్నాయి. మీరు ఎంత జాగ్రత్తగా ఉండాలో చూడండి. నాకు ఎవరో మార్కులు ఎవరు, నేను ఎగ్జామ్ రాయాలి. కానీ మీరు ఎగ్జామ్ రాస్తారు, మీకు మార్కులు వస్తాయి. అర్థమవుతుందా? కానీ మీరు జాగ్రత్తగా ఉండాలి. సో ద రేషియో ఇస్ 3:4. ఇక్కడ మీకు డౌట్ రావచ్చు, సార్ దీన్ని సింప్లిఫై చేసినా 3:4 వస్తుందా, దీన్ని చేసినా లేదా డిఫరెంట్ రేషియో వస్తుందా? చేసి చూడండి. ఐఎమ్ గివింగ్ యూ 1 minute టైం. సింప్లిఫై దిస్ ఆల్సో. Simplify. 1 minute I am giving to you. -6m plus 8m. Yeah. Are we getting the same ratio or a different one? Are we getting the same ratio or a different one? Yes, very good. Now I am going to the third model. I am going to the third model. What is the third model? m comma 6 minus 4 3 2 8 minus 4 comma 3 2 comma 8. This is the third model. This is the third model, children. See, now you tell me what is the difference between this, the third model and second model? Anyone? What is the difference between the third model and second model in section formula? Only Namrata is speaking, remaining else are sleeping, eh? What is the difference between the second model and the third model? Here n is given. Amsini, here n is given, we need to find out m. What is n? A is given. No, missing coordinate, right? అజిష్ట జీవితంలో ఫస్ట్ టైం చెప్పాడు, మిస్సింగ్ కోఆర్డినేట్ కనుక్కోవాలి. ఇంకా మిస్సింగ్ కోఆర్డినేట్ అంటే ఏ కనుక్కోవాలి. we need to find out a, not n. where is n? అంశీని n అసలు ఎక్కడ ఉంది? అంశీని n అనేది ఎక్కడ ఉంది అసలు? n అనేది ఎక్కడ రాశానా? ఎక్కడ did I wrote? m value is given before. a value అది ఏ కాదు, m కాదు. శాండీ ఏ స్టార్టింగ్ నుంచి నేను ఏ అంటున్నా, p కోఆర్డినేట్స్ a b అంటున్నాను. స్టార్టింగ్ నుంచి p కోఆర్డినేట్స్ a అంటున్నా, a b అంటున్నా. b ఇచ్చేసాడు, a ఇవ్వలేదు. b ఇచ్చాడు, a ఇవ్వలేదు. ఓకేనా? అంత క్లియర్ గా ఉన్న కన్ఫ్యూజన్ లో ఉన్నారే మీరు? ఫ్రమ్ ద బిగినింగ్ ఐఎమ్ సేయింగ్ p కోఆర్డినేట్స్ ఆర్ a and b and ratio m:n. ఎందుకు కన్ఫ్యూజన్ వచ్చింది మీకు అసలు? కనుక్కోవాలి, అలాగే రేషియో కూడా కనుక్కోవాలి. ఇది చెప్పట్లేదు ఎవరు, నో వన్ సేయింగ్ దిస్ వన్. రేషియో కూడా కనుక్కోవాలి, అది చెప్పట్లేదు ఎవరు. దట్ ఈస్ ద డిఫరెన్స్. ప్రీవియస్ అంటే సెకండ్ మోడల్లో ఏ ఇచ్చాడు, బి ఇచ్చాడు, ఇక్కడ ఏ ఇవ్వలేదు అంతే. దట్ ఈస్ ద డిఫరెన్స్. ఓకేనా? నౌ హౌ టు డూ దిస్? ఫస్ట్ ఏ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలా, రేషియో ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలా? ఫస్ట్ ఏ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలా, రేషియో ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలా? ఏది ముందు చేయాలి? మనం ఈ ప్రాబ్లంలో రెండు కనుక్కోవాలి. ఏ కనుక్కోవాలి అంటే m వాల్యూ కనుక్కోవాలి, రేషియో కనుక్కోవాలి. ఫస్ట్ ఏది ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి? రేషియో. వెరీ గుడ్. ఫస్ట్ రేషియో ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. రేషియో ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలంటే we have to use b coordinate. To find out the ratio we have to use b value. Very good. What is b formula? b is equal to m by 2 plus ny1 by m plus n. m by 2 plus ny1 by m plus n. b is given as 6. 6 is equal to m y2 plus n y1 by m plus n. So when you simplify that, 8m plus 3m is equal to 6m plus 6m. 6m plus 6m. 8m minus 6m is equal to 6m minus 3m. So 2m is equal to 3m. m by n is equal to 3 by 2. Ratio is 3 by 2. Ratio is 3 by 2. Okay, that means 3 is to 2. 3 is to 2. Now can we find out by using the ratio? By using the ratio, can we find out m? Can we find out m? Do it, children. Do it. Find m. Find m. Past. Find m. Find m. m minus 2 by 5 are. Let the others. Sanvi minus 2 by 5, Hunisha minus 2 by 5, Hamsini minus 2 by 5. Total 25 people are there, very less people are responding. Right. I'll go ahead with the next concept, fourth model, sorry, not concept, fourth model. I'll go ahead with the fourth model. Yeah. Yes. Suppose in what ratio the line segment A 2 minus 3 and 5 comma 6 divided by x-axis means p coordinates you have to take it as x comma 0. If the question says divided by y-axis, you have to take p coordinates 0 comma y. Okay na? And you need to find out the ratio. You need to find out the ratio. This is the question. Fourth model. Fourth model, children. In what ratio the line segment joining a2 comma minus 3 b5 comma 6 divided by x-axis x-axis అనగానే వెంటనే p coordinates x comma 0 ని తీసుకోవాలి. x-axis అనగానే divided by x-axis అనగానే immediately you have to take p coordinates as x comma 0. Okay na? ఒకవేళ divided by y-axis అన్నాడు అనుకో, immediately you have to take p coordinates as 0 comma y. Okay. Do this sum. First ratio కనుక్కోవాలా, x కనుక్కోవాలా? ఫస్ట్ రేషియో ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలా, x ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలా? I'm not getting any answer. X. First x find out చేయాలి. శాన్వి ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయి. శాన్వి చేయి ఫస్ట్. yes find out చేయి. ఫస్ట్ x find out చేయి without knowing the ratio. బుద్ధుందా శాన్వి? How can you find out x without knowing the ratio, Sanvi? Find out the ratio using b coordinate. Find out the ratio using b coordinate. ఈ చిన్న చిన్న మిస్టేక్స్ లేకపోతే పెద్ద అవుతాయి, మనం అనుకున్న గోల్కి దగ్గర దూరం చేస్తే. శాన్వి 3 plus a. What is 3 plus a? What is the ratio you got? m by 2 plus n y1 by m plus n is equal to 0. B coordinate 0 na is equal to 0. So 6m minus 3n is equal to 0. 6m is equal to 3n. m by n is equal to 3 by 6, which is 1 by 2. Ratio is 1 by 2. Ratio is 1 by 2. Okay. Now using the ratio, find out x coordinate. Using the ratio, find out x coordinate. A value 3 you got. That x value, not a. Where is a? Number tha a is ekkada pettaru nenu. Oh, ade x coordinate. Okay. A coordinate you got 3. Okay. Okay na. So this is fourth model. This is fourth model. Now we'll go ahead with the next one. Okay. We'll go ahead with the next model. Now, a minus 2 minus 2, 2, 4. A minus 2 minus 2, 2 minus 4. Okay, we need to find out A and B. But ratio is given, not this one. AB is to AB. AB is to AB is given as 3 is to 7. AP is to AB is given as 3 is to 7. AP is to AB is given as 3 is to 7. Okay, ma'am. We need to find out the coordinates of P. And ratio is given as like this. Ratio is given like this. AP is to AB, 3 is to 7. Okay, now? Then, what to do? We need to convert the ratio into AP is to PB. AP is to AB is given. We need to convert the ratio into AP is to PB. It is 3 is to 4. It is 3 is to 4. Yes. Now the problem becomes the basic problem. Now the problem, after changing the ratio, the problem becomes basic problem. We know the coordinates of A, coordinates of B and ratio. We need to find out coordinates of P. We need to find out the coordinates of P. Do it fast. What is the answer you got? B minus 20 by 7. Namrata, you did all the problems. How you are giving fast? Maybe you did it. Already completed the exercise. That may be one reason. Then it is very good. Yes, I think no need to explain this. No need to, because this is a basic problem. Just only change is converting the ratio from AP is to AB to AP is to PB. That is the only changing new in this problem. Okay, I am taking out this one. Next model. You want to find out the coordinates of A. You want to find out the coordinates of P. Okay, now. A is 3, 0. B is 5, 4. Given that P is the midpoint of AB. Given that P is midpoint of AB. P is midpoint of AB. You need to find out the coordinates of P only. But here ratio is not given. Ratio is not given. But he gave a clue that P is the midpoint of AB. P is the, yes. Since P is midpoint of AB, ratio will be 1:1. Ratio will be 1:1. Now find out P, children. If the ratio is 1:1, find out P. A4. B2. Correct. A4 B0 ना. सैन भी B0 सरिके सुस्को. B सुस्को 0 plus 4 by 2. There is a shortcut for this one. If P is the midpoint, there is a shortcut. 3 plus 5 by 2, 0 plus 4 by 2. And sum of x coordinates by 2, sum of y coordinates by 2. Sum of x coordinates by 2 and 3 plus 5 by 2. This is x1, y1, x2, y2. Sum of x coordinates x1 plus x2, 3 plus 5 by 2, 0 plus 4 by 2. This workouts only when P is midpoint. Yeah, B2 correct. This will be worked out only when P is the midpoint. P midpoint అయితేనే ఇది వర్కౌట్ అవుతుంది. Sum of x coordinates by 2, sum of y coordinates by 2. ఓకేనా? P midpoint అయితేనే. Okay. Next question. Next model. Next model, I am considering 2 points in between A and B. I am considering 2 points in between A and B. PQ. 2 points in between A and B, PQ. Okay, children. Such that those 2 points dividing AB in 3 equal parts. In 3 equal parts. These 2 points, they are dividing AB in 3 equal parts. Okay na? That's why P comma Q are called points of trisection. They are called points of trisection. Trisection means into 3 equal parts. Points of trisection means these 2 points dividing AB into 3 equal parts. Into 3 equal parts. That's why these 2 points are called points of trisection. Once again I am repeating. Point P and point Q dividing line segment AB into 3 equal parts. That's why P and Q are called points of trisection. Points of trisection. Now, if this is 7 comma minus 2, this is 1 comma minus 5. We need to find out the coordinates of P and coordinates of Q, both. We need to find out the coordinates of P and coordinates of Q, both. Okay, children? How to find out coordinates of P? By considering the ratio 1:2. We can find out coordinates of P by taking ratio 1:2. We can find out the coordinates of Q by taking the ratio 2:1. 2:1. Now do children do it? Find P coordinates and Q coordinates. P coordinates. P coordinates. What is P? What is Q? P lo mala AB kanukovali. Q lo ABCD lu kanukovali. P kanukovalante you have to take ratio 1:2. Q ante 2:1. ఈ కంగారే సమస్య. Yeah, A5 B minus 3. A5 B minus 3. Ishan. నీకు రాంగ్ వచ్చింది. ఈశాన్ కో వాల్యూ నీకో వాల్యూ వచ్చింది నమ్రత. One into 7 plus 2 into 1 by 1 plus 2. 9 by 3. 3A3. A5 ఎట్లా వచ్చింది? ఓకే సారీ ఇది 2 ఇది 7 ఇది mx2 కదా mx2 this mx1 yeah m plus n 15 by 3 5 A5 correct mx2 nx1 by m plus n my2 plus n y1 by m plus n minus 5 minus 4 minus 9 by 3 minus 3 b minus 3 a5 b minus 3 correct a5 b minus 3 correct mx2 nx1 a5 b minus 3 correct. So p coordinates are 5 comma minus 3 and then using this ratio 2:1 ratio find out q coordinates. Okay na? I am taking out this problem. Yes. So find some trisection over. Now, one more very important model for board exams is that Yeah, this one. ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram. Okay. This is 3, 1, 5, 1, A, B, 4, 3. They are the vertices of A 3, 1, B 5, 1, C A, B, D 4, 3 are the vertices of parallelogram ABCD. We need to find out A value, B value, coordinates of C. We need to find out the coordinates of C. Very important model. Very important model. ఈ మోడల్ తీసుకెళ్లి సెక్షన్ ఫార్ములాలో ఇచ్చాడు. నువ్వు డిస్టెన్స్ ఫార్ములా గురించి మాట్లాడుతున్నావు నమ్రత. ఈ మోడల్ తీసుకెళ్లి దేంట్లో ఇచ్చాడు? సెక్షన్ ఫార్ములా. అండ్ యు ఆర్ టాకింగ్ అబౌట్ డిస్టెన్స్ ఫార్ములా. You need to apply section formula. So section formula apply cheyalante what is the concept? What is the concept? Yes. In parallelogram, diagonals bisect each other. In parallelogram, diagonals bisect each other. This is the concept. That means diagonal AC, diagonal BD, they bisect each other. What is the meaning of bisect each other? That means point O is the midpoint of AC. Not only that, it is the midpoint of BD also. Point O is the midpoint of AC as well as it is the midpoint of BD also. Okay na? So, since O is the midpoint of AC, apply section formula by taking 1:1 ratio. And it is also midpoint of BD, apply section formula by taking the ratio 1:1. Okay na? Apply section formula for AC and BD both. ఇందాక మిడ్ పాయింట్ అయితే చెప్పాను కదా, షార్ట్ కట్ ఉంది, మిడ్ పాయింట్ షార్ట్ కట్ ఉంది. ఏమిటి చెప్పానది ఎవరన్నా గుర్తు తెచ్చుకుని చెప్పండి. పాయింట్ ఓ, we can apply mid point formula. That's what I am asking. Mid point formula. ఇందాక షార్ట్ కట్ చెప్పాను నేను, మిడ్ పాయింట్ ఫార్ములా ఎలా అప్లై చేయాలి. ఎవరన్నా గుర్తు చేయండి నాకు. Try to recall what I told. Midpoint, how to do it easily. X1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2 directly. Sum of x coordinate and sum of y coordinates. First I am finding midpoint of BD first. Midpoint of BD. Sum of x coordinates 4 plus 5 by 2. Sum of y coordinates 3 plus 1 by 2. 9 by 2, 4 by 2 అంటే 2. ఇది midpoint of BD. Now I am finding midpoint of AC. Sum of x coordinates a plus 3 by 2. Y coordinates b plus 1 by 2. A plus 3 by 2, b plus 1 by 2. Now I got midpoint of BD and I got midpoint of AC. Both midpoints I got, but interestingly here midpoint of AC as well as midpoint of BD both are same. That is O. Midpoint of AC and the midpoint of BD both are same. That is O. That means 9 by 2 comma 2 equal to A plus 3 by 2 comma B plus 1 by 2. This is what you have to understand. This is what you have to understand. Because in parallelogram diagonals bisect each other. That means AC midpoint, BD midpoint, both are same. Both are same. So 9 by 2 is equal to A plus 3 by 2. 2 is equal to B plus 1 by 2. 9 by 2 is equal to A plus 3 by 2. 2 is equal to B plus 1 by 2. Now simplify and find out BD. 2 get cancelled. A is 6. 2 get cancelled. A is 6. And B plus 1 by 2 is equal to 2. Then B plus 1 is equal to 4. B is equal to 3. B is equal to 3 and not 1. How can you say 1? B is equal to 3. So A6, B3. Ishan. Very, very important model. Very, very important. Okay. Yes. Now, one more model is this on this. That one we'll see. You need to tell me yes. You need to tell me there is a parallelogram ABCD. There is a parallelogram ABCD. Vertices of A are 3, 2, B 1, 0, C A, B, and D C, D. And coordinates of O are given 2, minus 5. 2, minus 5. We need to find out the coordinates of C and coordinates of D both. How to do it? We need to find out coordinates of C as well as D both. How to do it? Another model on this. A6, B3 now. What is A6, B3 now? Who is Pramoda? Midpoint of AC and BD is given. Yeah, midpoint of AC and BD are given. AC is equal to AO plus OC. Adhe. Distance formula, section formula is easy. Section formula, distance formula is distance formula is to change janma ko lekha. Distance formula is the ipadi kaadu. ఎప్పటికో వస్తుంది ఆన్సర్. We can apply section formula over here. చూడండి midpoint first find out midpoint of BD. C plus 1 by 2, D plus 0 by 2. అంతేనా? Midpoint of BD C plus 1 by 2, D plus 0 by 2. Which is equal to 2, minus 5. Which is equal to 2, minus 5. ఎందుకంటే మిడ్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ BD ఇచ్చేసాడు 2, minus 5 వాడే ఇచ్చేసాడు. ఓకే. midpoint of BD is given as 2 comma minus 5. So C plus 1 by 2 comma D plus 0 by 2 is equal to 2 comma minus 5. Now equate C plus 1 by 2 is equal to 2, D by 2 is equal to minus 5. C plus 1 is 4, C is 3 and D is minus 10. C3, D minus 10 and the coordinates of D are 3 comma minus 10, 3 comma minus 10. Why minus 8? Minus 10 na? Ishan. Now find out midpoint of AC. Midpoint of AC. 3 plus A by 2 comma 2 plus B by 2 which is equal to 2 comma minus 5. Which is equal to 2 comma minus 5. Now equate the values. 3 plus A by 2 is equal to 2. 2 plus B by 2 is equal to minus 5. 3 plus A 4. A 1 9. 3 plus A 4. A 1. Alage. 2 plus B is minus 10. B is minus 12. D is minus 12. So coordinates of C are 1 comma minus 12. 1 comma minus 12. Minus 8 దేనికి రాలేదు నిషా? minus 8 దేనికి రాలేదు. మరి నీకు దేనికి వచ్చిందో? minus 10 కదా వచ్చింది. ఓకే children. Very very important model. You got the same answers or a different answers than me? You got the same answers or different answers? Same answers. Yeah. Last and final question for today. Last and final question for today. Yeah. Yes, show that A 3 comma 1, B A 3 comma 1, B 0 comma minus 2, C 1 comma 1, D 4 comma 4 are the vertices of a parallelogram. We need to prove these 4 are the vertices of parallelogram using section formula. ఎలా చూపిస్తారు కదా? Using section formula. Distance formula అయితే opposite sides equal అని చూపిస్తే సరిపోతుంది. మరి సెక్షన్ ఫార్ములాస్ ఎలా చూపిస్తాం? ఎనీ ఆన్సర్స్? Find the midpoints of AC and BD. Very good. Prove that they are same. Okay, if they are same. Okay, if they are same. So, okay, midpoint of AC and midpoint of BD are equal. So then, what is your conclusion? Then they are the vertices of parallelogram. Why? Why? Did anyone know the reason? Diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. Very good. Very good. If midpoint of AC and midpoint of BD are equal, then we can say that it is a parallelogram, because in parallelogram diagonals bisect each other. Diagonals bisect each other. ఇది డిస్టెన్స్ ఫార్ములా కంటే ఈజీ కదా. డిస్టెన్స్ ఫార్ములా అయితే AC midpoint, AC distance, BD distance. AC and BD, AB and CD, sorry. ఆపోజిట్ సైడ్స్ ఈక్వల్ అని చూపించాలి. AB and CD ఈక్వల్ అని చూపించాలి. AD and BC ఈక్వల్ అని చూపించాలి. అది టైం టేకింగ్ parallelogram అయితే. సో సెక్షన్ ఫార్ములా అయితే ఈజీ అయిపోయింది. ఓకేనా? Okay, that's all for today, children. I think you have exam day after tomorrow. Is that right? If you want, if you say yes, I'll take tomorrow also class in the evening. If you say yes, everyone say yes, and everyone is ready to join on Wednesday, 20th, not on 19th. Okay. If you want, I can take the class on tomorrow also. Otherwise, no problem. Not one, everyone. If everyone accepts, I'll take the class tomorrow evening. I'll send you the time. Okay. Okay, I'll send you the time. You only suggest one time. You only suggest one time. In the evening time, not in the morning time, because we need to perform Ganesh Puja. Evening time, you need to suggest one time. Suggest one time, children. Five, 3 to 4. Yes. Okay. Either 3 to 4 or 4 to 5. Okay. I'll make it 4 to 5. Okay. Okay, right. Okay, thank you very much for today. Dhanyavad. Thank you. Thank you very much. Bye.